Ask Tom on Home Show.
Julianne from the Energy Corridor has a question about some foam, and she's frustrated.
She sure is, Tom. She's shopping for a house, and she says she thinks she found a house that's almost perfect.
Okay.
Julianne writes, the problem is they have installed foam on the inside of the roof and made a special point to include a photo of it in the listing. So I know they think it's a good thing. I can't see any roof vent or soffit vents. Can that foam be removed somehow? I'm thinking that they just ruined their attic. Do you agree?
Well, it depends who buys the house and what the people think when they buy it. But it takes me back to the first time I went looking for a home at a very young age, at the age of 30, my very first home. And I went into this one home, and it was an old wood shingle with 2 layers of asphalt shingles on top. And they made it very clear it had 3 rooftops. And the homeowner, who was a very old, he was an elderly man, came up and said, yeah, but that's extra insulation. That's really good. Now, deep down inside, I knew this was going to be a mess, because if I bought the house, I would have to tear it all off, and I'd have to redeck it, and then I'd have to re-roof it with ventilation and everything else, because the old roofs back then didn't have it. So it's kind of like a 2021 version of a 1988 Tom Tynan home buying experience, where I said, no thank you, we moved on to the next house, because you don't want to get into a big experience, an experience where it's going to cost you a lot of money. Now, if you're going to remove it, and don't use it as an enclosed attic, which I wouldn't buy the house because I don't like the enclosed attics, then it's going to be incredibly expensive and a big mess to do. So I would not buy the house with the plans of removing it. If you don't mind it, and you're going to go through the process of having dehumidifiers and however the air conditioning system is going to work in a non-vented attic, and deal with the problems associated with that because you like the house and you accept that, then that's fine. But if you're thinking of tearing it out, if you want a insulated attic in the Houston area, which means insulation, radiant barriers, roof ventilation, which is the way it should be, then don't touch the house, because you'll find another one that's even better. I don't care, just look. It will happen. Never hurry a home purchase. A home purchase is a big one. And people just get so, I got to find a house right now. And they get so involved in that, or they fall in love with something on the house. It's just sticks and bricks. You can always make any home yours as you live in it for a long period of time, remodeling little pieces here and there. But to get into something like that, and I think you're already feeling like you're having a problem with it, I would say walk away.
Never love something that won't love you back.
There you go. And home is where you hang your hat, not the house you live in.
That's exactly right. You got a question, we'll help you out just like that. Go ahead and click on the Ask Tom button there at HomeShowRadio.com. That's our website. Go there, click on that blue one, and it'll take you to this page where then you pick the form or record a video. You can record a video right there, by the way, but you can fill this form out, send us pictures, and then we'll help you out, because we post a new one of these videos every day at our website, HomeShowRadio.com. There's a lot more there besides just the videos, too. And, of course, you can follow us on Facebook and see more of them there, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell, and we'll tell you when we put a new one up.